Well, one of our gCADPlus users is having some problems with finding and viewing the layers properties manager. That's this one here that's normally activated via that format toolbar. So let's close it. He may well have lost that icon from that toolbar. So that's an opportunity for us to talk about the way that you can change items on an individual toolbar by going to View and Toolbars. And if I wanted to play with the format toolbar and the contents of it, I could do that. And for the sake of argument, one called a line object shouldn't be on that toolbar, and I'll throw it back over to the left-hand side. So the left-hand side here has all of the commands that we've got, and we can add those commands. We can take them away from the standard toolbar, add them to the standard toolbar, and so on. You can see the incremental save, which we think is very important, is on the standard toolbar, but you could put that onto the file option, all sorts of different places. There's a separator there, so you could tweak your toolbars in whatever manner you want. So I'll cancel from there. So hopefully he can recover from his situation. But if we type the layer command in the command area, up would pop the layers property manager. So you should be able to, I'll turn off my warning, should be able to get at that particular dialog box in a number of ways. If you right click up above the drawing area, you can see that you can turn on or off a lot of the individual menus. So if you never use the dimension toolbar, you could just tick it and the dimension toolbar disappears. To put it back again, it's just a matter of clicking. So there's the dimension toolbar. Let's float it. Let's right click, take it off and put it back on again. The other thing that's relevant to this discussion is that under View and Workspaces, you've got a number of different workspaces that put you into an environment that might suit the way you work, and you can create your own by saving your particular workspace. For the sake of argument, if you want a workspace that doesn't have any toolbars, all the toolbars are now gone, you've got a massive drawing area in which to work, and you can then do things like select an object. Here's a piece of text. Let's pick that piece of text and we'll move it from that position to there. So we're operating, we're doing our design work, but we're not encumbered by all of the clutter that some people don't like on the screen. So to put it back, go View and Workspace and just click the gCADPlus default. So now we're back where the toolbars, the mini toolbar is down here at the bottom, the properties box on the left, and other toolbars are there. That's the way gCADPlus is delivered, and it's the way I like to work with it, but you might differ. So you might want a workspace that is absolutely minimal. So we click on it. Now we've lost all the drop-down tools. Everything's gone. You've just got a massive screen area. And you might want to do that if you're doing a screen grab for the sake of argument. Now to put it back, it's just show the menu bar. And now the menu bar is up, and we can pick there and Workspace and go back to the default. So can you see the workspaces can be convenient and a convenient way to do things. As delivered, the mini layer tool sometimes encroaches on the area of the properties box, and as you saw me do, I can adjust that. So I hope that helps a little in managing some of these toolbars and pop-up boxes.